Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and use the rest timer on a ladder. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official ladder application if you've not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone. Open up the App Store, search for ladder, find application and install it. So once you've installed and opened it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. But keep in mind, to be able to use the ladder application, you are going to need a pro subscription, either that or the free trial that is offered to you at the beginning of the application once you start it for the first time. So either if you have one of those, we can get started. So first things first, you're going to choose your team from the bottom right corner. That's going to enable you to choose what team you're going to be a part of and follow its workouts, and then go to the workout page. Now you can go ahead and get started using the rest timer. As you can see, once you click on any of the workouts, it's going to enable you to start those workouts, and you can go and take a look at the moves that are being used right here at the bottom of the screen. So basically, using the rest timer on the ladder app is designed to be automatic, starting as soon as you finish an exercise to keep you on track without manual input. So basically, you have the rest duration. The app often sets a default rest period, but some users have noted the ability to add roughly 5 seconds to it by interacting with the application during the rest period to grab equipment. So if you click the button to add equipment, this can give you more rest time, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.